time to 8888 from Back to the Future.
What? That's not a real time.
But that's why it will work.
Gavin, if you want to burn your food, do it. I don't care.
Alright, just a second.
Oh no, Gavin's doing science again.
It's not science, it's movie science.
Oh, why is it going blue?
Gavin, did you just give the microwave a midlife crisis?
Greetings, citizens of the past. I have traveled from the future for your food. Wait, it actually worked?
You just summoned Brent from the future with a snack?
You guys are gonna invent time travel next week. Don't ask how, just don't sit on any toasters.